Hello everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to sync your WhatsApp in your PC. It's too much easy. So if you want to also know more about or if you want to get more information related with the WhatsApp, then this is the right video for you. So without any late, let's begin. So guys, if you are new in my YouTube channel, just you have to subscribe my YouTube channel and you can share this video. So first of all, I'm going to teach you how to sync WhatsApp inside your PC. Okay, so first of all, you have to go in this link web.whatsapp.com. Otherwise, just you have to click here and just click in the more tools and click in the extension, and in the extension you have to install this What's Chrome extension. Okay, so which is available inside here. Just go here and click in the open Chrome Web Store. After that, you have to search that extension, that is WhatsApp. Okay, so I'm searching this one, and now you can see you have to install this extension inside your Google Chrome. Okay, so after that, just you have to open that extension from here, and now we can say you will get same window. Then after that, just you have to go inside your smartphone, then you have to tap in your QR code option and just click in the scan code, and now we can see you will get this QR code and you have to scan this one, then click in the continue, and now we can see here it is connecting uh, with my PC. Okay, so just wait for a moment. Okay, so now we can see here all the contact is synced from my WhatsApp application. So in this way you can easily sync your WhatsApp inside your Windows 10 or inside your PC. So guys, now I'm going to teach you how to change or how to use dark mode in WhatsApp. So it's too much easy. So now we can see I'm in this time I'm using dark mode, right? So it is very beneficial for the eye also, so that's why I'm going to teach. So for this one, just click here. Okay, then click in the setting and you'll get this option, and just click in the theme. So now we can see here there are three options: light, dark, and system default. So if you want to use the light, just click here in the light and click in the OK. So now we can see your theme is changed. And if you want to make it dark, just click in the theme, click in the dark, and click in the OK. So now we can see it's done. So guys, how to change the chat wallpaper in WhatsApp? It's too much simple. So for this one, just you have to click here and click in the setting, and you have to click in the chat wallpaper. And now we can see there are various types of the background available, and you can choose any of them, and you can change your favorite types of your chat background inside WhatsApp. So it's too much simple. So guys, how to use the keyboard shortcuts in WhatsApp web? So it's too much simple and easy. So for this one, just click here and click in setting, and you will get this option, keyboard shortcut. So now we can see there are various type of the shortcut keys. So for example, if you want to create a new chat, just click in the new chat. Okay, so for this one, Control Alt plus N. Otherwise, if you want to do search, then just you have to press Control Alt and backslash. For example, I am just typing Control Alt and backslash. Okay, so I am just clicking here, Control Alt plus backslash. So now I can see the search window is appearing, right? If I click Control Alt and N, so now I can say it's giving me the window for new chat. So using the shortcut key, you can speed up your chatting speed inside WhatsApp. Okay, so sometimes it will be very useful for you. So guys, how to turn off the notifications of your WhatsApp inside your desktop application? So for this one, again, you have to go in the setting and you have to click in the notification. Okay, so in the first option, that is the setting for the notification, and you can turn off the sound for the notification. You can turn off your desktop alert, but in this time I'm using sound, desktop alert, and I'm clicking in the show previews also, but you can turn off those notification settings as per your requirement. So guys, how to block any WhatsApp contacts inside your WhatsApp account? So it's too much simple. So for this one, just you have to click in the block, and now you can see here you will get this window, and click in the add block contact, and you have to search your block contact. So from here you can easily block your uh, any unnecessary contact inside your WhatsApp. Today we discuss all the things related with the WhatsApp in this video, so hoping that you get few ideas. So if you are new in my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.